Hi everyone, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to solve indeterminate limits using the method of expansion. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example. In this example here we have the limit as h approaches 0 of the function 5 plus h quantity squared minus 25 over h. So the first thing that we always do when we're solving a limit problem algebraically is we plug in this value here for a into our function f of x. So doing that, we have 5 plus 0 squared minus 25 over 0. And so in the numerator, we have a 25 minus 25 over 0. And so this simplifies down to 0 over 0, which is an indeterminate form, which means that we need to use another method to solve this limit. So the next method that we usually like to try is factoring, but taking a look at our function here, there's nothing really to factor here. So the next method that we can try is the method of expansion, and all this means is to expand any terms we have in the parentheses. So we can do that here because we have this quantity 5 plus h squared in our numerator. And so expanding our numerator, this limit becomes the limit as h approaches 0 of 25 plus 10h plus h squared minus 25 over h. And so from here we can see that these two 25's cancel out in the numerator, and so we are left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 10h plus h squared over h. And we can see here that we could factor out an h in the numerator, and so doing that we have the limit as h approaches 0 of h times the quantity 10 plus h, and this is all over h. And from here we can see that these two h's cancel out, and we are left with the limit as h approaches 0 of 10 plus h. And from here we can now go ahead and plug this value in for h. And when we do that, we see that we get 10 plus 0, which is equal to 10. And so that is how you solve indeterminate limits using the method of expansion. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.